Alright, so we're now going to do number 5, and it says, the figure shows a circle inside of a square. So we have a circle, and then we've got this square that's coming on the outside of it. The radius of the circle is 8 centimeters, and we're going to find the circumference, the area, and the area of the square. So for A, circumference uses diameter times pi. If I want to write that in terms of radius, I need 2 sets of the radius to make a diameter. So I can change that out with 2r times pi. And in this problem, the radius is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. So we have 16 pi. And it doesn't say to use 3.14 to estimate. It doesn't say to use the pi button. So we are going to use an exact measurement. And this is going to say 16 pi centimeters. For part B, we are working on area. And area is the radius squared times pi. The radius is 8. So 8 squared times pi. But then to square 8, we need 8 times 8. And 8 times 8 is 64. And area is a 2-dimensional thing, so we want centimeters squared. For the square, if 8 goes halfway across, then to go all the way across we need 8 and then another 8, which makes 16. And squares are the same width as they are height, so we have 16 by 16. Alright, so for part C, I've got the area equals 16 times 16, and that comes out to 256. Remember, it's centimeters squared. I'm going to erase and move on, but if you need to, you can pause the video and get your work copied down from here. In number 8, our job is to find the area of the shaded region of this picture. So I have a circle on the outside and then a circle on the inside. This inner circle has a 5 centimeter radius, and this outer circle has a 9 centimeter radius. I know mine aren't perfect, they're just sketches. So to find that shaded region, right here, what we want to do is we want to take the outside circle, and then we're going to remove the inside circle's area. So the area of the outside minus the area of the inside will give us that shaded region. And these are both circles, so we need radius squared times pi, and this one's going to need radius squared times pi. The outside radius is 9, so replace the r with a 9. The inside radius is a 5, so we're going to replace this r with a 5. 9 squared is 9 times 9, so that comes out to 81. And 5 squared is 5 times 5, which is 25. I'm going to leave this one in terms of pi. So we're going to subtract. If I have 81 and it was x's, and I was removing 25 x's, I would just subtract the numbers, and then that symbol would go along with it. So the same thing happens here. I'm going to take 81, I'm going to subtract 25, and I'm just going to keep that pi symbol with it. So 81 minus 25 is 56, and we keep that pi symbol. This was measured in centimeters, and we're looking at an area which is 2-dimensional. And this is our final answer here.